If you grew up on a phone, chances are you're pretty tech-savvy. You navigate apps, send messages, and stream videos effortlessly. But when it comes to the workplace, where tasks often rely on laptops, folders, and spreadsheets, it's a different ballgame. Don't worry, you can build those valuable skills step by step. Start small. Dedicate just 20 minutes a day to a laptop or desktop. Practice typing, create folders, and remember to save your files with clear and descriptive names. Learn how to attach documents to emails and dive into spreadsheets, familiarizing yourself with rows, columns, filters, and basic totals. Split. Explore spreadsheets, understand rows, columns, filters, and how to total values. And when updating your CV, highlight that you're confident with smartphone apps, while currently enhancing your desktop skills in email, file management, and Microsoft Office. Employers don't expect perfection. They want someone eager to learn. So, embrace this journey and watch your confidence grow.